In Allah's name, the self-subsisting, the self-sufficient. May the downpour of limitless blessings and endless bounties be upon our Prophet's chieftain, Hazrat Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. From the core of heartfelt, deepfelt welcome is being accorded to all our worthy and venerable audience. I'm Professor Azam Hussain. Today we are going to learn about the use of will have to and shall have to. This is the fourth lecture. In second lecture, we learned about has to and have to. And in third lecture, we learned about had to. Now we are going to learn future tense and use of will have to and shall have to. In Urdu, I would like to explain, अगर किसी जुमले के आखिर में ये अल्फाज हों, ना है, नी, ना होगा, नी होगी, ने होंगे और नी होंगी। मुझे एक मैच खेलना होगा, मुझे एक खत लिखना होगा, मुझे एक कहानी लिखनी होगी, मुझे एक इनिंग्स खेलनी होगी, मुझे 2 मैचेस खेलने होंगे, मुझे 2 आम खाने होंगे, मुझे 2 दरखास्तें लिखनी होंगी, मुझे 2 कहानियाँ लिखनी होंगी। Method of translation is, first we shall have to write subject, then will have to and shall have to will be added in accordance with the subject, then first form of the verb, then object will be added. ना होगा, मुझे स्कूल जाना होगा, I shall have to go to school. उसे स्कूल जाना होगा, he or she will have to go to school. नी होगी, उसे एक कहानी लिखनी होगी. It's about a girl. She will have to write a story. She will have to write an application. उसे एक दरखास्त लिखनी होगी. उन्हें 2 खत लिखने होंगे. They will have to write 2 letters. अगर ये हो कि उन्हें 2 मैच खेलने होंगे, they will have to play 2 matches. उन्हें 2 मज़ामीन लिखने होंगे, they will have to play 2 matches. Similarly, हमें 2 मज़ामीन लिखने होंगे, we shall have to write 2 essays. नी होंगी, हमें 2 दरखास्तें लिखनी होंगी, we shall have to write 2 applications. हमें 2 कहानियाँ लिखनी होंगी, we shall have to write 2 stories. इसी तरह अगर किसी जुमले के आखिर में ये अल्फाज होंगे, पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगी, पढ़ेंगे और पढ़ेंगी. पढ़ेगा, मुझे लाहौर जाना पड़ेगा, मुझे एक दरखास्त लिखनी पड़ेगी, हमें 2 खत लिखने पड़ेंगे, हमें 2 दरखास्तें लिखनी पड़ेंगी, मुझे 2 इनिंग्स खेलनी पड़ेंगी, मुझे 2 मैच खेलने पड़ेंगे. Same method of translation will be applied. First, we have to write subject, then will have to, and shall have to. Then first form of the verb will be written, then object will be added. So quite easy to form so many sentences. हमें एक खत लिखना पड़ेगा. We shall have to write one letter. हमें एक मैच खेलना पड़ेगा. We shall have to play one match. पड़ेगी, मुझे एक कहानी लिखनी पड़ेगी. I shall have to write a story. मुझे एक दरख्वास्त लिखनी पड़ेगी. I shall have to write an application. पढ़ेंगे, उन्हें 2 मज़ामीन लिखने पड़ेंगे. They will have to write 2 essays. उन्हें 2 letters लिखने होंगे. They will have to write 2 letters. पढ़ेंगी, उसे 2 नज़में लिखनी पड़ेंगी. She or he will have to write 2 poems. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. It's great honor being together. It gives me immense pleasure, and it is height of my delight to be with you. And I would like to suggest, please subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching and listening my lecture number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Inshallah, by Allah's grace, and hopefully you all will be learning better English and you will be able to speak English fluently. And I would like to say that please like my lectures and share these lectures with others so that others might be able to learn these things. Thank you very much. May Allah Almighty bless you. Everlasting, long-lasting, lasting pleasures of life. May you succeed. And my best wishes are with you. Once more, I would like to suggest, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like it and share it with others, and wait for my lecture number 5th and 6th and all upward. Inshallah, you will be enjoying better English. Thanks. Thank you very much.